156 to 407 checkpoint certified PenTesting associate. DevSecOps CCPAD practice exam. 1. Which term best describes the integration of security practices into every phase of the DevOps lifecycle? A. Agile security. B. DevSecOps. C. Continuous delivery. D. Secure operations. Answer B. Explanation. DevSecOps embed security at every stage of the DevOps process rather than as an afterthought. 2. What is the primary benefit of adopting DevSecOps in modern software development? A. Increased operational cost. B. Faster time to market with secure code. C. Reduced developer productivity. D. Isolated security teams. Answer B. Explanation. DevSecOps speeds up delivery while ensuring that security is integrated throughout the process. 3. Which of the following is not a key principle of DevSecOps? A. Continuous integration. B. Continuous delivery. C. Automation. D. Manual auditing. Answer D. Explanation. Manual auditing is not a core principle. Automation is preferred to maintain speed and consistency. 4. How does cultural change contribute to the success of DevSecOps? A. By isolating security responsibilities. B. By fostering cross-functional collaboration. C. By enforcing rigid departmental boundaries. D. By reducing team communication. Answer B. Explanation. Cultural change in DevSecOps emphasizes collaboration between development, security, and operations teams. 1/4. 5. What role does threat modeling play during the design phase of the secure SDLC? A. It replaces the need for code reviews. B. It identifies potential security vulnerabilities early. C. It only applies to the testing phase. D. It is used solely for regulatory compliance. Answer B. Explanation. Threat modeling helps pinpoint potential security issues during the design phase to mitigate risks early. 6. Which phase of the SDLC involves static and dynamic code analysis? A. Planning. B. Design. C. Development and testing. D. Maintenance. Answer C. Explanation. Both static and dynamic code analysis are typically conducted during development and testing. 7. In secure coding practices, what is the importance of input validation? A. It speeds up the application performance. B. It prevents injection attacks and data corruption. C. It simplifies code structure. D. It reduces memory usage. Answer B. Explanation. Input validation is crucial to prevent attacks like SQL injection and other types of malicious input exploitation. 8. Which tool category is used for automated scanning of source code for vulnerabilities? A. Static application security testing, SCSD. B. Dynamic application security testing, DSD. C. Continuous monitoring. D. Configuration management. Answer A. Explanation. SCSD tools analyze source code statically to find vulnerabilities before runtime. 9. What is the purpose of integrating PenTesting into DevSecOps pipelines? A. To delay the release cycle. B. To identify and remediate security flaws. C. To replace automated scanning. D. To increase operational complexity. Answer B. Explanation. PenTesting is integrated to actively identify vulnerabilities that automated tools. My team miss. 10. Which practice enhances the security of version control systems? A. Allowing anonymous commits. 2/4. B. Managing secrets securely within repositories. C. Sharing credentials among developers. D. Disabling branch protection. Answer B. Explanation. Securely managing secrets in code prevents exposure of sensitive information. 11. What is the main risk associated with not using secret detection tools in source code? Repositories? A. Reduced application speed. B. Exposure of API keys and credentials. C. Lower development costs. D. Enhance team collaboration. Answer B. Explanation. Without secret detection, sensitive credentials may be inadvertently exposed to unauthorized users. 12. How do pre-commit hooks contribute to security and version control workflows? A. They improve code formatting only. B. They automatically reject code that violates security policies. C. They solely check for performance issues. D. They delay the merge process unnecessarily. Answer B. Explanation. Pre-commit hooks can enforce security standards by preventing commits that do not meet defined criteria. 13. Which term best describes the automated integration of security tests into CI/CD pipelines? A. Manual code review. B. Automated security scanning. C. Post-deployment patching. D. User acceptance testing. Answer B. Explanation. Automated security scanning continuously checks the code in CI/CD pipelines for vulnerabilities. 14. What is one advantage of automating dependency checking in CI/CD? A. It increases manual review time. B. It quickly identifies outdated or vulnerable third-party libraries. C. It complicates the build process. D. It decreases overall system security. Answer B. Explanation. Automating dependency checking helps in quickly find ING and addressing issues with third-party libraries. 15. Which tool is commonly used for configuration management in CI/CD environments? A. Git secrets. 3/4. B. Terraform. C. Jenkins. D. SonarQube. Answer B. Explanation. Terraform is widely used to manage infrastructure configuration as code, including security configurations. 16. What does infrastructure as code, IAC, primarily enable in terms of security? A. Manual server configuration. B. Automated deployment with security controls. C. Disorganized configuration management. D. Isolated application testing. Answer B. Explanation. IAC allows for automated, repeatable, and secure infrastructure deployment and management. 17. Which tool is specifically designed for scanning IAC templates for security issues? A. Checkoff. B. Docker. C. Kubernetes. D. Git. Answer A. Explanation. Checkoff is a tool that scans infrastructure as code templates for misconfigurations and vulnerabilities. 18. What is a key benefit of container security in a DevSecOps environment? A. Containers inherently eliminate all security risks. B. They provide isolated environments that reduce attack surfaces. C. They remove the need for security testing. D. They replace cloud security protocols. Answer B. Explanation. Containers encapsulate APPL allocations, reducing exposure and isolating potential threats. 19. Which container technology is most widely used for containerizing applications? A. Kubernetes. B. Docker. C. OpenShift. D. Vagrant. Answer B. Explanation. Docker is the industry standard containerization platform used for packaging applications. 20. How do container scanning tools improve security? A. They slow down the deployment process. B. They identify vulnerabilities within container images before deployment, powered by TCPDF, www.tcpdf.org/4.